What's good, gang? Richie Blue back here with another video. This time we got a great unboxing video in store for you. The number one clone dupe for the best. Oh my gosh, that Creed Aventus. That is a fragrance that I personally don't own at the moment, but I got the next best thing. Some people say this here is the best Creed Aventus dupe that's out there on the market. Some have other ones, but this one here, hands down, I always hear great things about. And that is that Nuit Intense Man. Oh, I've been waiting to open this for a minute now. It's been a minute. I've been wanting to get this video done. Now we're here. We're gonna check it out. But you know we gotta check out what's up in this bad boy before we get to it. So let's get to Max Aroma and see what they had to say what's up in this lovely fragrance. Main accords are citrus, sweet, and amber. Mainly should be worn during the spring and the summer, day or night. Top notes: lemon, black currant, apple. Middle notes: rose, birch, and jasmine. Your base notes is vanilla, ambergris. Oh wow, I gotta say that again. Ambergris. Did I say that? I know I butchered that. Musk and patchouli. Hi, you know I like that patchouli. So we're gonna check it out up in here. This has been a great fragrance that people have been raving about. I've heard that the opening is very harsh, but after the cool down about 5-10 minutes, some even say 30 minutes, and it's gonna be a banger. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna see what they got to say. See, does it match up? Unfortunately, I don't know what the actual Creed Aventus smells like, but hopefully this gives me some type of jump start to say, hey, you need to go get that real thing. So let's go ahead and open it up. Let's go ahead and get this box open up. Ooh, this box is nice. Okay. Ooh, okay. Let's open it up right here. Armaf, that's who it's by. Armaf. Got this fragrance, you know, it sells a lot. It's very cheap as well compared to Aventus. I heard Aventus go about $4. Ooh, okay, they gave us a nice little card. What is this? A certificate of purchase type card? Basically, well, not really, because it don't have no serial number, but it gives you a little breakdown. Got a little card, a little breakdown of everything. All the other colognes that Club Nuit has are from mine. Okay, it's a nice little card like that. Okay. Let's go ahead and get to the bottle. Ooh. Oh, my bottle's a little jacked up here. You gotta hear that. I'm a little dusty though, but look at it though. This joint look good, don't it? I got like a little. Reminds me of some dice here with the diamonds up in the top. Got a nice little chain. Oh, the chain moves a little bit. Okay, let's see how it's okay. Top kind of snug in the beginning. Okay. Alright, gang, here we go. Let's see what we got here. See how the atomizer is. Alright, here we go, gang. Here we go. Let's see what we got. Okay. Okay, that's okay. Let's see how it is on skin. Oh, wow, that atomizer's good. Got a nice little blast there. Oh, yeah, that hard. Oh, yeah, that is pretty harsh. Yeah, that is, wow. That is pretty harsh to begin. But they say you need about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes to see how, oh yeah, because that is strong. Okay. But this is, again, a clone of Creed. Let's get it right now. Creed, yeah. Creed clone of Aventus. I've been hearing. You hear that? Y'all hear that? Alright, but I've heard great things about Creed. Everybody that has a nice little collection always got Creed up in there. I ain't jumped on that level yet, but I'll be there soon. So I decided to get the next best thing. Okay, we're still waiting it to cool down. You know, we're gonna have to wait a little while to really see how the cool down is. But right now, it definitely is pretty harsh, though. Wow, I can't really pick up the nose, because see, I'm still young in my fragrance journey. So like when people smell the notes, some people can just pick those notes up. Like, oh yeah, that's what that smell is. I can smell that. I'm not quite there yet. I'm more of a, it smells good, I don't like it, it smells better, you know, that type of thing. So y'all gonna be here with me on my journey and see how my skills get a little better, see if I get a little better picking up all the different type of notes and whatnot. Yeah, this is, yeah, we got to check back. We got to come back and check out how it smells in a cool down. We're going to wait about an hour or so, and I'm going to be back at you, and I'm going to give you a lowdown on what we looking like. Alright? Back in the field. What's going on, gang? Bitchy Blue's back. And we're back. An hour later on that Club de Nuit. Did I say that right? Yo, I'll be butchering these names, I ain't going front. But it's been an hour later since we got back. We're gonna let it cool down. And let me tell you, this is something different right here. I don't got nothing in my collection that's on this level. Like, I got some nice joints in my collection and y'all go check them videos out. But, well, they're gonna be on the way. They're gonna be coming so you can check them out. But this is definitely unique for my collection. And I must say, on a cool down, I like it. I like it. It's definitely different, you know. Oh, like club, yeah, like regular signature scent, yeah. And this is a nice cheap bottle too. I think I got this for about $40, $50 on fragrancenet.com, I believe. I can't remember which one exactly was, but definitely nice cheap cologne. It's very good. Definitely worth buying. Definitely could be a signature scent. It does, I feel like it gives me a sense of sophistication, luxury. That's what I get when I smell it. Definitely different. You're not gonna find too many people walking around with this on, even though Creed Aventus is a banger. People love it, a lot of people wear it, but it's quite expensive, so you're not gonna have a lot of people in your daily commute that's gonna have on some Creed Aventus. So definitely go hit up the discounters, get that Club de Nuit, and trust me, gang, you're gonna love it. Now, I still ain't figured out a good slogan for me to get up out of here, but hey, up the game up. Get some of that smell good. And thank Richie Blue. Till next time.